I remember when I first started trading, to make $1,000 in a day would have been a dream. And thankfully, over the years, it's become something that's much more regular to the point where I almost forgot to film this daily recap video. So here we are, everybody. Happy February. I'm up 950 today on two Tradeify instant funded accounts. I have an aggressive account and a conservative account. I like to trade both of them. I usually trade the aggressive account first, like I did today. I won all three of my trades. If you have not tried Tradeify, I will put a link for that down below or in my social media bio. Use the code ASFX and you can save 30% on any challenge, maybe 35% right now with Tradeify. So let's get into the trades today. First trade was short pre-market. This is from like 7:15 into 8 o'clock. You can see my entry short here with that red arrow and my exit here with that blue arrow. So I'm trading towards the overnight VWAP. This dotted line is the overnight VWAP. It's automatically anchored if you use our Lux Algo indicator. This indicator is available for you guys at luxalgo.com/ASFX. This indicator is something that you can get on TradingView, use it on any chart, not just futures. This will automate the most important VWAPs for you. In this case, it's the overnight VWAP. That's what we were trading short into this morning pre-market. The reason we're trading short into that is because of the massive move down last night on tariffs. Trump basically tanked the market with the tariffs. And then here with the pausing of the Mexico tariffs and now the pausing of the Canadian tariffs, we've basically bounced all the way back up to close that gap. So I was short this morning because the fundamental bias was bearish. Tariffs are going to be bad and they're taking effect. Well, they were supposed to take effect tonight at midnight, and now they're not going to. They're paused for 30 days. So that's interesting. And the banks said that. The banks knew it was coming. The banks said tariffs are going to be short-lived, if not paused. And here we are. So then at market open, again, I'm already making money short today. I take the first really good short signal. It's beautiful. Break of New York VWAP, stop at opening range high. If that VWAP is taken and the high is taken, I want out, but I'm trading this to the bottom of the range. So you can see my exits here. Beautiful. First pump, take some. Second pump, get the rest at the target at opening range low. So very happy with that. I was up like 700 something on this account. So good for that day because I don't want to make too much with the 20% consistency rule on it. So then I switch accounts. I have some meetings this afternoon, come back at 1 o'clock and I take this trade. You can see first I positioned in with a buy here. I added into the position here and I closed some here and here. So it was a nice win. Trading from the high of day VWAP break shown in purple because we're trading above New York VWAP. This is after the Mexico pause in the Mexico tariffs. So everything was bullish then. That shifted the narrative. We talked about that on stream. Speaking of stream, if you're not on ASFX TV, we're streaming every day longer now, actually for over 3 hours some days. So tune in with us on stream all week long on ASFX TV. That's where you can see us call these trades live. So because of that bullish narrative shift, I was looking for longs this afternoon. Can't make a new low here, can't take New York VWAP here. So I get long here and I add in because we hold it with a higher low. We show strength with buyers stepping in. So I added in there, could have even added in more here, but with such a big stop loss, it's 20 points to here. I know it doesn't look like that, but from my entry, it's 20 points. So I didn't want to be too heavy. And this is the conservative account. So I'll take that win there. No questions really asked. I mean, the target at 60.44 does get reached. That's where we were originally looking because there were orders there on Bookmap. But previous day New York VWAP gets anchored for you with our indicator, and that's a great target too. That's really where I should have been in the trade till, but I was happy for this to make $1,000 today with very little time in the market. I think I was in the market here for the longest, for about 40 minutes on this trade. This trade was 10 minutes. Love that. And then this trade was about 40, a little less, about 30 something minutes on this one. So quick money today for the most part. A really good start to February. Very happy with this. Very, very close to some Tradeify payouts. So happy about that. Definitely check out the Lux Algo indicator, everybody. I'll put a link for this down below and tune in tomorrow at market open with us on ASFX TV. As you can see, you can also get Futures 101, our free course, and Futures 2.0 on ASFX TV. These are both the courses that teach you how to take trades like this, the high of day VWAP break, or this, the mid-range trade. It tells you in those courses, when we take a mid-range trade, we take profit at the low of that range or the top of that range. Long or short, doesn't matter, right? So definitely get on ASFX TV, get the indicator, get plugged in with us, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on stream.